Yes, good morning student. This lecture is for 9th class student. This is second chapter, second part. Let us continue remaining part of the chapter. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So student, in 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan got highest civilian award. उनको सबसे सर्वोच्च जो पुरस्कार था, वो सिविल अवार्ड था, वो उनको मिला, विच नेम वाज भारत रत्ना, विद द coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with rare happiness. He said, all I would like to say is, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music. Yes, student. When Bismillah Khan received highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna in 2001, his eyes were shining. He was very happy because his hard work been identified. He got a Bharat Ratna award. So he gave important message to the country that all Indian to teach music to their children, because Hindustan richest tradition music, because music is a tradition of India. And he also told that even the West is now coming to learn our music. He told that even Western country wants to learn India's music also. In spite of having travelled all over the world, Khan Sahab, as he is fondly called, is fond of Banaras and Dumrao, and they remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. Yes, let us say that although Bismillah Khan travelled all over the world, he got respect, but because he is कॉल्ड खान साहब, क्योंकि उनको प्यार से लोग खान साहब बुलाते थे, सो वे बनारस और डुमराव से प्यार करते थे. एंड दे रिमेन फॉर इन द मोस्ट वंडरफुल टाउन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. वो कह रहे हैं कि बनारस वेयर ही लर्नड म्यूजिक, एंड डुमराव वेयर ही वॉज born and brought up. He was attached to both of towns, so he loved both towns, Dumrao and Banaras. A student of his once wanted him to head a Shehnai school in USA, and the student promised to recreate an atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. Yes, replicating means moving a copy of something, किसी से कॉपी करना. A student of his once wanted him to head a Shehnai school in USA. There was a student of Bismillah Khan in USA, and he wanted that Ustad Bismillah Khan should make a Shehnai school in USA. And the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. The students also promised that he would recreate the temples of Banaras in America. But Khan Sahab asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. But Khan Sahab asked him if he would be able to transport the Ganga river in America also. Later he is remembered to have said, that is why whenever I am in a foreign country, I keep yearning. Yearning means longing, इच्छा करना, to see हिंदुस्तान. तो बाद में ऐसे याद किया जाता है कि उसने कहा था कि that's why यही वजह है कि whenever I am in foreign country, जब भी मैं किसी विदेश कंट्री में होता हूँ, तो I keep yearning to see हिंदुस्तान. तो मैं हमेशा हिंदुस्तान को देखने की इच्छा रखता हूँ. While in Bombay, I think of only बनारस. तो जब मैं बॉम्बे में होता हूँ, जब मैं इंडिया में बॉम्बे में होता हूँ, तो मैं बनारस के बारे में सोचता रहता हूँ। एंड द हॉली गंगाउस, हॉली पवित्र गंगा के बारे में सोचता रहता हूँ। एंड वाइल इन बनारस, और जब बनारस में होता हूँ, आई मिस द यूनिक मट्ठा ऑफ डुमराव, तो मुझे अपने डुमराव का जो बहुत ही स्पेशल जो मट्ठा है, जो छाछ लस्सी होती है, उसको मुझे याद आती रहती है। तो उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान लाइफ is a perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India. So उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान का जो लाइफ है वो परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है भारत की जो रिच मीन्स शेर महान, ग्रेट कल्चरल हेरिटेज मीन्स सांस्कृतिक जो विरासत है उसका एक बहुत ही परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल देखने को मिलता है। One that effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him can very naturally play the Shehnai every morning, the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So here that means that one effortlessly accept that a devout Muslim. So devout है believing strongly in a religion and obeying its laws and following practices. That means his work was beyond religion barriers. जो उसका जो काम था वो धार्मिक जो रुकावटें होती हैं उनसे बहुत दूर था। Muslim like him, so he was, although he was a strict Muslim, he followed Muslim laws, but still every morning at the play the Shehnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Every morning he played Shehnai. So this shows that he has no barriers of religion. He was a true Indian. Bismillah Khan passed away on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90 after a prolonged illness. जो बिस्मिल्लाह खान थे उनकी जो डेथ हो गई थी वो 21 अगस्त 2006 को हो गई थी। एंड व्हेन हीज एज वाज 90 ईयर्स, वो 90 ईयर्स ओल्ड थे। और उनकी डेथ कैसे हुई थी? आफ्टर ए प्रोलॉन्ग्ड इलनेस, एक काफ़ी लंबी बीमारी की वजह से उनकी जो डेथ हो गई थी। ही वॉज गिवन अ स्टेट फंडल एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिक्लेयर्ड 1 डे ऑफ नेशनल मॉर्निंग। तो एक दिन के लिए उनका शोक मनाया गया था, राष्ट्रीय शोक मनाया गया था। और जो था स्टेट ने उनको अंत्येष्टि दी थी। इस तरीके से he was a very true Indian, so we also miss him very much. Today you will revise complete chapter and find out some questions answer from the chapter. Thank you.